Hey, this is Danielle. Welcome to the video about Nvidia that I'm making today. Today I'm going to show you how Nvidia is in a squeeze and why it's probably going to break out to the upside. So if you look at Nvidia right here, what you will see is that Nvidia has a squeeze, which you will notice because it has red dots and then white dots. So what that means is it's consolidating and it's about to break out. So if you look at the upside targets, you have 190 and then 200. Everybody keeps looking at Nvidia and they're like, oh man, it's going up, it's going down, it's not really doing anything. Yeah, that's because it's consolidating. It's getting ready for its next big move. So basically, the question is, okay, when is it going to make the move? Well, I wish I knew when it was going to make the move, or I would buy it just right before it made the move, but it doesn't really work like that. What I can tell you is that we've had continual incoming volume. It's been up above the 50 simple. If you look at the lower time frame charts here, there's another squeeze forming on the 195-minute chart. So moral of the story is, it's good to just get in these things and wait until it takes off. September seasonality can definitely be a thing. So it's not abnormal that we're seeing a little bit of a pullback now, but I think that looking for a trade into 185, then back into 190 and 200 is what makes sense here. So if you go to the options chain, that's where you're going to get a better idea of when that could possibly occur. And that's what we do in the Mastering the Trade Room all the time. So if you want to come join us there, you're more than welcome to do that. But basically, if you look at the October series, you'll see that there's a $14 expected move. So 176 plus 14 wouldn't quite bring you to 200, but it could if it had a greater than expected move, right? So if you wanted to set up a trade, it would make more sense to target something like 190 by October 17th, which would be the monthly expiration series. And then if you wanted to use the $200 price point, you could go out a little bit further when it's a little bit more reasonable that you might make it there, because by then you have, like an $18 expected move or even a $25 expected move into November. So just check out the options chain, see how many contracts you have here, see where that key target zone is. Interesting that we have a lot at the 180 strike there, a lot of resistance. But we're going to be trading these in the Mastering the Trader Room. So come join us there. You can click on the link below, and I'll see you in the next video.
Hey traders, thanks for watching this video. If you want to make sure that you get all of our free trading content, make sure you hit subscribe and also give us a like and comment down below. If you want to learn more about us and if you want to join us for live trading in real markets with real money, make sure you go to simplertrading.com where you can join us for more info. Thank you very much and have a great day.